Now moving to Bauchi State. Earlier this month, Bauchi State made history with its first ever Bauchi Investment Summit, themed Rebuilding a Resilient Economy, Optimizing Investment and Partnerships. The event brought together local and international investors, government officials, traditional rulers and industry leaders to explore opportunities across key sectors, including agriculture, solid minerals, energy, tourism and ICT. From the commissioning of the new Ahmadu Bello International Conference Center to policy discussions and partnership pledges, the summit has continued to generate momentum for Bauchi's economic transformation. Our correspondent, Rabiu Bello, reports.
The Ahmadu Bello International Conference Center, designed by Ruben Okoya, CEO of Architectronics Nigeria Limited, stands as a masterpiece of modern architecture. The edifice can host up to 10 events simultaneously, constructed using local materials and labor. It reflects the government commitment to local content and economic empowerment. The building's groundbreaking was performed by Governor Babagana Umar in March 2021, with the State House of Assembly providing legislative support to bring the vision to life. Former President Chief Olusegun Obasanjo commissioned the center outdoors, joined by the Sultan of Sokoto, Governor Zulum, the Speaker of Bauchi State House of Assembly, and other dignitaries. A traditional cow presentation symbolizing Bauchi's rich culture welcomed the guests. Obasanjo pledged that he would go anywhere with Governor Bala Mohammed to attract investors, underscoring the importance of strategic partnership for Bauchi's future growth. The Commissioner for Commerce, Industry and Investment, Honorable Mohammed Salis Gamawa, who stole the show, gave an extensive overview of Bauchi's investment potential. He highlighted about 50,000 square kilometers of land, with 40% already in use, and a population of 10 million. He emphasized opportunities in agriculture, solid minerals, tourism, energy, and ICT, stressing the importance of public-private partnership, local content, and youth engagement for inclusive growth. Governor Babagana Umar led the delegation, delivering goodwill messages emphasizing Bauchi's commitment to inclusivity and investment readiness. Other goodwill messages were delivered by Ambassador Mohsen Antiti, Ambassador of Tunisia to Nigeria, representing diplomats and ambassadors. Right Honorable Abubakar Y. Suleiman, Speaker, Bauchi State House of Assembly, representing the legislature. Alhaji Naziru Haliru, DG, Kano Chamber of Commerce, representing domestic investors. Mr. Zhuang Jing, representing Chinese investors and foreign interests. Mrs. Aisha Rimi, Executive Secretary, Nigerian Investment Promotion Commission, NIPC. Distinguished guests included Alhaji Muhammad Indimi, First Lady Aisha Bala Muhammad, the Emir of Bauchi, Alhaji Ridwan Suleiman Adamu, Deputy Governors and former military governors. His Eminence, the Sultan of Sokoto, Alhaji Muhammad Saad Abubakar III, praised the foresight of Governor Bala Muhammad, urging leaders to fear Allah, uphold justice and accountability, and ensure that summit translate into real development and job creation. The keynote speaker, Alhaji Mahmoud Yayeli Ahmed Ajian Katagum, former head of service of the Federation, former secretary to the government of the Federation, and former Minister of Defense, shared deep insight on leadership, public service, accountability, drawing lessons from his experience with President Obasanjo. Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, speaking indoors, urged leaders to turn plans into action, invest in people, and create an enabling environment for growth. Governor Bala Abdulkadir Mohammed, host of the summit, reaffirmed his administration's commitment to implementing the resolution of the summit, improving infrastructure, and creating a business-friendly environment to attract investors. Representing the President, Vice President Kashim Shettima officially declared the summit open, emphasizing federal collaboration, strategic partnership, and sustainable economic growth. From the commissioning of the Ahmadu Bello International Conference Center to the goodwill messages, keynote address, and policy commitment, the Bauchi Investment Summit showcased a state ready to lead in investment and innovation. From Bauchi, I am Rabiu Bello reporting for Captain TV News.